My sister hit her bumper, and this is what happened. I'm gonna try to fix it to where it's better than it is. I mean, I'm definitely not gonna be able to fix it. It's all ripped over here. I mean, unless I glue it and Bondo and all this stuff. But I just want to make it to where it's better than what you see right here, which doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. So just that's gonna try to. It's ripped over here. Like this bumper needs to be replaced no matter what. But I want to straighten this out a little bit. So next, get a heat gun or a hair dryer if you don't have one, and start heating up all the damage. You know where the corners are, the bends. That's where the most important thing is. Then try to get your hand behind the bumper to push while heating it at the same time. So you know it softens the plastic and then it can push out easily. So I'm pushing it and heating it at the same time. As you can see, I already pushed most of it out. I'm just correcting it a little bit. Yeah, now time to put the bumper and put it back on. Screw it back on. There's always something with girls. She just got this Audi, not even a week later. So here I am doing the same thing, heating it up and trying to get a stick to push it out with the stick. But that didn't help. It wasn't able to do it strong enough. So I had to crawl underneath and push it out. And it popped right out after you heated it a little bit. Make sure you don't go too close so you don't melt the bumper or the paint. Just kind of like keep moving it around so that you don't damage the paint. So here's the final, well, not completely final, but here's the end after the heat gun. So now, if there is any paint from like another car or something, you can use some Adstone or some paint thinner to wipe it down quickly, fastly, and wipe down the other paint. And you could follow up with some rubbing compound, some buffing, and buff out some of the light scratches that you can. Obviously not the big scratches, but the tiny little scuff scratches would disappear. So this is the next day what it looks like. Not too bad, I would say.